Example 3, Carmen has $15 to buy seeds. Vegetable seeds cost $1.50 and flower seeds cost $2. Write an inequality to represent the cost of seeds. This is example 3. It is on page 358. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose something for x and choose something for y. We can make x the number of vegetable seeds that a person buys and y the number of flower seeds. She only has $15. Does it make sense that the number of vegetable seeds that she buys plus the number of flower seeds that she buys, that has to be less than $15? How much are vegetable seeds going to cost? If she buys 3 of them, how much is it going to cost? How would you figure that out? Sorry? You'd have to times whatever this is by 1.5, right? That'll be the cost of the vegetable seeds, $1.50 times however many you buy. And what's the cost of the flower seeds? $2 times however many you buy. And she cannot spend more than $15. So this inequality represents what she could buy. In part B, it just says, what are some possibilities? And there's an infinite, well, there's a lot of answers here. Could she buy 1 of each package? Yes. Could she buy 2 of each package? Could she buy 10 of each package? No. So determine 2 possible ways she can spend up to $15. So we just said 1 of each or 2 of each. Could she buy 3 vegetable and 2 flowers? Yeah, she'd be fine. So there's lots of different possibilities of things she could buy. Right? So we have 1 of each, 2 of each, 3, what did we say? 3 vegetables and 2 flowers. That would still be under $15. Can Carmen buy 5 vegetables and 4 flower seeds? No. Why? Costs too much. It would cost too much if she bought that many. What is the most money Carmen can spend and still have change? Could she spend $14.50? How? So you're saying 5 flowers, that'll cost her $10, right? And 3 vegetables, that will cost another $4.50. That makes $14.50. Sure, she could spend $14.50 and still be able to have some change left. One of the things we can do with a question like this is we can take this equation right here, okay? And we can rearrange this to get y by itself. Can you see that you would have 2y less than or equal to negative 1.5x? Can I change the 1.5 to a fraction? You okay with 3 over 2? And then plus 15. And what would I have to do to get y by itself? Divide by 2. So I wouldn't have to change the inequality. This will become negative 3 over 4x plus 7.5, or 15 over 2. If we drew this as a graph, 7.5 would be our y-intercept. And then we have a slope of negative 3 over 4, so we could go down 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. 1, 2, 3, down 3 over 4 to find another point. This could be a solid line. And can you see in this situation, if we were shading something, the only parts that make sense are in here. Doesn't make, do you know why I can't shave negative x values? Can you buy negative vegetable seeds at a store? No. You can't buy negative flower seeds either. So only the values in this area make sense. So when we said one of each, that's the point one comma one, and that fits in the shaded area. When we said two of each, that's the point 2 comma 2, and that's in the shaded area. That's why it makes sense. When we try to do 5 flowers and 3 vegetables, that point's right there, and it's outside of the shaded area. That's why she couldn't buy it. Questions for practice on this one are 11 and 15.